It is called the Maximum City, the city that never sleeps. Apt descriptors for India's financial and entertainment capital, Mumbai. This megapolis has a population of over 12.44 million people, while in 2015, its GDP stood at $209 billion and the growth rate clocked more than 7.5%. The World Bank report on Ease of Doing Business 2016 has ranked Mumbai at 183 in giving out construction permits. The responsibility for the city's civic infrastructure and administration lies with the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, or MCGM, which also sanctions construction permits. For Mumbaikars, this was earlier an arduous task involving multiple documents, high costs, time-consuming with frequent visits to MCGM and other agencies, as well as for NOCs. However, last year, the MCGM decided to overhaul the system holistically and bring transparency into the system instead of piecemeal measures. The municipality began by studying the criteria used by the World Bank's report in 2016 to arrive at its ranking of Mumbai building permits. The World Bank looks at four main categories in ease of getting a construction permit or a warehouse permit as they specify. They are total number of procedures required to build a warehouse, time taken for building a warehouse, cost, which is recorded as a percentage of the warehouse value, and the Building Quality Control Index. The Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai decided to reorganize, simplify and standardize the entire process of construction in Mumbai. In a record 1 year, by leveraging technology and cutting bulky documentation, getting a construction permit in Mumbai has become a speedy and transparent process. So how did this transformation take place? Starting on the 15th of May 2015, all construction proposals began to be accepted online. Simultaneously, more than 1.7 lakh old approved building files were scanned and made available on the MCGM website.
As a part of the ease of doing business in Maharashtra, we took up the issue of giving building permits in Mumbai. The first thing that we did was reduce the number of steps required to get a building permit. The number of permissions now required have been reduced by nearly 52%. Secondly, not only did we reduce, we also defined each step very clearly. What are the questions that you can ask and how much time it should take to give each step. Just these two initiatives reduce the time of processing a building permit from the usual 18 months to 2 years down to 30 days. So in Mumbai, you can get a permit in 30 days today. The third thing we said, which was very important, was to bring transparency. As a part of that, the whole process is now online, and including the note written by the commissioner himself is now visible to the people at large.
MCGM has introduced a single window approval system for building permits, which includes features such as common application form, online transfer of application and receipt of NOC. The MCGM online system has further been integrated with external authorities such as Airport Authority of India and National Monuments Authority. Permission for removal of trees, CRZ, high-rise committee, etc. are integrated with the MCGM single window application system. Site inspection for construction permits has been minimized. It is now self-certified. Auto scrutiny of CAD-based building plans is made compulsory. Digital signature for officers and architects are now compulsory. Provision has been made to attach video clippings on periodic basis to capture the site details.
Earlier, the architects need to make the plans and go to the authorities. And after that, if there is some mistakes, they need to come to the office back again and make the corrections. Now the corrections are just one click away. They have just to sit in the office, they upload the maps, and if there's some mistakes, they take uploaded. So as a builder, we need to save money, we need to save time, and we are benefited from that also.
Scrutiny was earlier done at multiple stages. It is now a two-part procedure. which ends at the assistant engineer levels with a final report from the executive engineer. In the old process, scrutiny fees and other payments were to be made at 89 different stages or locations with different departmental calculation methods. Now, all the payments are auto-calculated and can be made online during submission of application.
Previously, we have to go to different departments altogether. Like for each department, it takes 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and running from pillar to post to get the sanctions. Right now, we just a click away, we are from the sanction. We just put our online common window program and we can get the approvals very quickly. Within 30 days, all the things will be done. Now the project which has to start in a year's time, we can start in 30 days time. So the time has changed, really time has changed.
One of the major highlights of this new improved system is the transparency of the process. Applicants can check status and progress of the approvals by logging onto the website. All file noting, documents, plans and remarks are also available to view. These steps by the MCGM will go a long way in making it easier for citizens and businesses to receive faster construction permits in the city and propel economic growth. Combined with reforms in Delhi's municipalities, it will also drastically improve India's overall ranking in ease of getting construction permits.